there, beauties! Welcome back to the channel where we spill the tea on all things skincare. In a world where the quest for the fountain of youth seems never ending, we're here to simplify the journey and shed light on the path to ageless skin. I'm your guide on this radiant journey, ready to share the secrets that will help you maintain that youthful glow. Today we're embarking on an exciting and informative adventure, unraveling 5 secrets that promise to unlock the door to ageless skin. Imagine a world where crow's feet and laugh lines are a thing of the past, where your skin looks as vibrant and youthful as you feel on the inside. This isn't just a dream, but a reality we can all achieve with the right knowledge and tools. So buckle up, skincare enthusiasts, because this journey is about to get interesting. Today, we're diving into the fountain of youth with 5 secrets to ageless skin. Alright, first up on our quest for eternal youth, hydration. We know you've heard it a million times before, but there's a reason for that. Hydration is key when it comes to maintaining healthy, youthful skin. Imagine, if you will, a grape and a raisin. Both started from the same place, but one is plump, juicy, and full of life, while the other is, well, a bit on the wrinkly side. Now, we're not saying you'll turn into a raisin if you don't drink enough water, but it's a fun way to visualize the importance of hydration. Water plays a crucial role in our bodies, and our skin is no exception. It's the largest organ we have, after all. When we're properly hydrated, our skin is more plump, resilient, and less prone to wrinkles. It's like giving your skin a daily dose of youth serum, straight from the tap. Now, this isn't just about drinking 8 glasses a day. While that's a great start, hydration also comes from the foods we eat. Fruits and veggies are packed with water, so eating a diet rich in these can also help keep your skin looking fresh and youthful. But it's not just what you take in, it's also about what you put on. There are plenty of skincare products out there that can help boost your skin's hydration levels. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, or glycerin, a humectant that draws moisture into the skin. So in the quest for ageless skin, make hydration your first stop. Drink up, eat your fruits and veggies, and pamper your skin with hydrating products. It's the simplest, most natural way to keep your skin looking young and healthy. And remember, it's never too late to start. Even if you're not a water lover, little changes can make a big difference. Before you know it, you'll be glowing like a well-hydrated goddess. So what are you waiting for? Grab a glass, fill it up, and toast to your skin's future. Stay hydrated, folks. Your skin will thank you. Next, let's talk about the magic of SPF. Now, if you're thinking SPF is just about avoiding sunburn at the beach, prepare to have your mind blown. SPF, or sun protection factor, is actually one of the most potent tools in our anti-aging arsenal. Imagine it as your skin's personal bodyguard, stepping in front of those harmful UV rays and saying, "Not on my watch." These UV rays are like invisible little arrows, constantly shooting at your skin. Over time, they can cause damage that leads to wrinkles, age spots, and other signs of aging. But with SPF, you've got a superhero shield. So how does SPF work its magic? Well, it's all about reflection and absorption. SPF products contain particles that either reflect the sun's rays away from your skin or absorb them before they can cause harm. It's like that scene in a sci-fi movie where the spaceship has a force field that deflects incoming attacks. Yeah, that's your skin with SPF. But remember, not all SPF products are created equal. It's important to choose a broad spectrum product, which means it protects against both UVA and UVB rays. Think of it as an all-inclusive vacation for your skin. No harmful rays allowed. And don't just save the SPF for sunny days. UV rays don't take a vacation just because it's cloudy. So make SPF a daily habit, like brushing your teeth or brewing your morning coffee. Your skin will thank you for it. Now, I know what you're thinking. But Bella, I don't want to look like a greasy beach ball. And I hear you. Luckily, there are plenty of SPF products on the market that are lightweight, non-greasy, and perfect for everyday wear. Some even double as a moisturizer or foundation, making it easier than ever to incorporate SPF into your daily routine. So there you have it, folks. SPF isn't just for preventing sunburns, it's a powerful ally in the fight against aging, helping to keep your skin youthful, radiant, and wrinkle-free. So, cue the cape, SPF to the rescue. Now onto a skincare classic, antioxidants. Ever wonder why your skincare products are packed with ingredients like vitamin C, vitamin E, or green tea extract? It's because these are all antioxidants. You can think of antioxidants like the knights in shining armor of your skin. They are the brave soldiers that stand guard, ready to fight off the free radicals that threaten to wreak havoc on your skin cells. But what are free radicals, you ask? Picture a rogue band of misfits running amok, causing damage wherever they go. In the skin's case, this damage can result in signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. These free radicals can come from anywhere, from pollution to UV radiation to stress, and they can cause your skin to look older than it actually is. Enter antioxidants. These heroes neutralize the free radicals, preventing them from causing further damage to your skin. Not only that, but they also aid in skin repair and can stimulate blood flow, giving your skin that healthy, youthful glow we all crave. Getting antioxidants is as easy as incorporating certain foods into your diet. Foods like berries, nuts, spinach, and even dark chocolate are packed with these little warriors. But to give your skin an extra boost, you can also find them in many skincare products. From serums to creams to oils, there's no shortage of ways you can provide your skin with the antioxidant protection it needs. But remember, while antioxidants are essential, they are just one piece of the puzzle. Hydration, protection from the sun, getting enough sleep, and using the right skincare products are all equally important. It's all about balance and finding what works best for your skin. So the next time you're scrolling through your skincare products or planning your meals, remember to give some love to antioxidants. Your skin will thank you, and you'll be one step closer to that ageless, radiant glow. Who knew fighting wrinkles could be this delicious? All right, buckle up for this one. Beauty sleep is real. Now you might be thinking, yeah, I've heard it all before. But let's get down to the nitty-gritty of why the Sandman is your skin's best friend. When we sleep, our bodies enter repair mode. The skin, being our largest organ, takes this opportunity to regenerate and recover from the day's wear and tear. Think of it as your skin's personal night shift, where it gets to work repairing damage and building new cells. But it's not just any sleep that does the trick. We're talking about quality sleep, the kind where you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world. That's when the magic happens, when your skin gets its glow on. So, how do you ensure you're getting the golden 8 hours of beauty sleep? Well, it starts with a good bedtime routine. Get cozy with a book, sip some chamomile tea, and turn off the tech. Your phone's notifications can wait, but your skin's rejuvenation process cannot. Let's not forget about the power of a good night cream, your skin's overnight ally. Slathering on a nutrient-rich cream can give your skin the extra boost it needs to repair and regenerate. So, next time you're tempted to skimp on sleep, remember, those Z's are your ticket to radiant, ageless skin. Beauty sleep? More like beauty slay. Last but definitely not least, we've got the skincare MVP, Retinol. This little gem has been turning heads and smoothing wrinkles in the beauty world for a while now, and for good reason. Retinol is a form of vitamin A that promotes skin renewal and enhances collagen production, which slows down as we age. It's like a little magic wand, casting away fine lines and revealing your skin's true radiance. But the magic doesn't stop there. Retinol also helps to improve skin tone, reduce the appearance of dark spots, and even out any skin texture issues. It's like a one-stop shop for all your skin's needs. Imagine being able to tackle all your skin concerns with one potent potion. That's the power of retinol for you. Best of all, retinol works its magic while you sleep. So even as you're dreaming about the fountain of youth, retinol is hard at work, ensuring you wake up to skin that's refreshed and revitalized. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Retinol can be a tad bit drying, so always follow up with a moisturizer. And as retinol makes your skin more sensitive to the sun, don't forget to put on your superhero shield, that is, your SPF, during the day. So whether you're just starting your skincare journey or you're a seasoned skincare enthusiast, retinol is a must-have in your beauty arsenal. It's like having a secret weapon against aging right at your fingertips. Retinol, you're the real MVP of my skincare squad. And there you have it, lovelies. 5 secrets to ageless skin that will have you looking like a timeless beauty. We've journeyed through the importance of hydration, the magic of SPF, the classic power of antioxidants, the real deal that is beauty sleep, and finally, the skincare MVP, retinol. Each of these secrets holds the key to unlock the door to radiant, youthful skin. But remember, consistency is king. If you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have, do us a favor. Hit that like button. It's a small step for you, but a giant leap for our channel. Want to keep up with more skincare goodness? Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. And if you know someone who could benefit from these secrets, share the love. We've got loads more to share in our upcoming videos, so stick around. Until next time, stay radiant, stay fabulous, and remember, age is just a number, but skincare is forever.